Hello everyone, welcome to my drawing channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw the chubby version of Kanao Tsuyuri. Kanae is a small young girl with big gentle eyes that are lovely shaded of dark lilac. She has thick eyelashes that frame her eyes beautifully. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my drawing channel. If there is any character you are interested in, you can leave the comment below and I will consider drawing it. And as a bonus, I have prepared downloadable drawing materials for you to practice drawing, tracing, and coloring. If you only want to color, you can jump straight to the adding color step on the program bar. The download link for the outline materials is provided in the comment section below. Before we begin our drawing lesson today, we need some basic drawing supplies. Here is a list of items that you will need. Are you ready? If I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video if you need extra time. First, we use our pencil and lightly sketch out the basic framework of the picture we want to draw on the paper. Once we have our outline, we need to erase the shape lightly so it is not too dark. But we still can see their positions. Then we can begin with the detailed drawing. Once you're done with the detailed drawing, use a marker to trace over the sketch. You can use a black marker or colorful marker. You can fix any mistakes you made in the rough sketch before you start coloring. After completing the tracing process, remember to use an eraser to remove any excess pencil markers. If you have finished, we can move on to the next step now. Adding color is a super important step in drawing. It brings your artwork to life and makes it look more realistic. Now let's get started with adding color. Pick the color you like and carefully fill them in. I will show you how I color, but feel free to create your own style and experiment. tune in today's class. We are done for now, but I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to see more of my comments, feel free to check out my channel for other drawing classes. Don't forget to take photos of your kids' finished artwork and share it with me on Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to tag me. I want to see how awesome it turned out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment to share your thought and idea with me. See you next time. Bye!